loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Arapana, and on my channel I do a lot of styling videos, try on hauls, just basic fashion, my sense of fashion and style. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. Today's video is a Shein try-on haul, so a huge thank you to Shein for collaborating with me on yet another video. I love Shein. You guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a little bit of time now, that I love shopping online at Shein. So I've done a couple of try-on hauls on my own previously, so it's just really nice to actually be collaborating this time. I also have a discount code for you guys. I will pop it up here, and it will also be listed down below in my description box. I'm sorry if you hear my AC. It's hot, so I need the AC. I cannot film a try-on haul without the AC on, so I'm sorry about the little bit of background noise. But yeah, this discount code will save you 15% off. I will have it linked down below in my description box, along with all of the pieces that I show you today. Up on the screen I will pop up the sizes that I'm wearing. Everything is either a 1XL or a 2XL. Some things I did a size up in. And also, don't forget, when you use that discount code, you will actually be paying way less than this. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. This is the way I used to do it all the time, and then I switched to the other way where I would hold up the items and then insert a clip of me with the clothes on. So let me know which way you prefer better. But let's start off with this two-piece set, which is absolutely adorable. So it's definitely giving me like Little House on the Prairie vibes, but I love it. I think it's so cute. It is a lot of florals, as you can see, all the fine print there, so like little flowers and stuff, but I think it's so cute. I was a little unsure about it when I took it out of the packaging. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but once I put it on, I actually really do like it. It's super comfortable, it's very lightweight, it's very flowy as well. I love like the little tiered detail there. It goes down to a pretty good length, so not short at all. So it does show a little bit of skin, but not too much skin. This part here is stretchy. And for the skirt, there is a zipper on the side here, so that's how you would get the skirt on and off. I think it's very cute and flattering, and I love that it does have a sleeve. So a lot of two pieces that I have shown you in the past don't have a sleeve, so I do appreciate the sleeve on this one. So overall, I really do like this outfit. I think it's very pretty and cute, simple and modest, so I do really like this one, and I love how lightweight it is. So definitely a good material for the summertime, so I'm very pleased with this one. I would definitely throw on some like sandals or something like that, so I really like this one. This is the first one, and now let's move on to the second outfit. So next up we have this two-piece set, which I think is absolutely adorable. The skirt has like a little slit in the front, very cute. It is high-waisted, and this top is cropped, so my bra ends like here and the top goes down a little bit longer. So this top has a broader strap, so you can wear your bra with this. So I do have a strapless bra on for this top, but you could totally wear your regular bra because this part here is wide enough to cover your bra, so I really like that. I love these like button details. They are faux, they do not open up, so you don't have to worry about that. So this skirt also has button details, and they are faux as well. This skirt does have a zipper on the side and a reinforced like hook and eye, so that's how you would get it on. The top you would just pull over your head the same way you would the other top from the other two-piece set. This material here is not stretchy, but I feel like it gives you enough room to like get it on comfortably, so I really like this set. Again, this material is very lightweight, so it's perfect for the hotter months. I love the little polka dot print. This two-piece set kind of like gives me like picnic vibes. Definitely feel like this is something I would wear if I was having like a picnic in the park. That's the type of vibe it gives me, like a picnic in the park outfit. Super cute. Honestly, if you're planning on doing that, I think this would be a really great outfit for you. Okay, this is the last two-piece set I have to show you guys, but this one is a pants set, and as you can see, the pant legs on this one are really wide, so that's a little bit different than my usual style, but I do really like it, and I think it's super cute. The material on this outfit is very lightweight, and also this top is very stretchy. I did have to size up to a 2XL in this, and honestly I feel like maybe a 3XL even for the pants, because I do feel like this part here is just like a little bit too tight and it's not very flattering. Also, this is how you would put on the pants. They have a zipper here, so you would just zip it on and off, and that little tag there I would just cut off. So even though the 2XL top does fit, I feel like it is a little bit too big. So I actually tried on the 1XL outfit first, and that one, the top fit perfectly fine. The pants were too small, so I sized up to the 2XL. The pants fit, but I'm not in love with the way it fits. I think it just emphasizes my mommy pooch, so I don't really like the way the pants fits. I think this outfit is super cute though. I think if I had a size 3XL in the pants, I think I would be good to go and I would absolutely love it. So if these items were sold separately, that's the way I would do it for my body type, because I'm a little bit smaller on top and bigger on the bottom, like bigger thighs. I have a stomach, I have a butt. So yeah, I would have done it that way. A 1XL in the top and a 3XL in these pants. So I would say these pants do run a little bit small, especially if you have a curvier bottom. These definitely do run small, so keep that in mind. I mean, honestly, it's really cute. I just feel like this part doesn't look good on me, but honestly, this outfit is so cute. This would be a perfect like date night outfit. It is absolutely adorable if you can get like the right fit. So next up we have this outfit and these pair of straight leg jeans. I really like these. These are super duper comfortable. Probably can't see because it's all black, but there is like pleating here and pleating here as well. It's super comfortable. It is stretchy. It's also high-waisted, and these belt hoops are functional. And for this top, I don't have on the right type of bra with it, but it's fine. You could wear like pasties or boob tape. I did buy boob tape from Shein a couple of videos ago, and I have yet to try it out, you guys. I know, I'm so bad. So this would be the perfect top to wear with like boob tape or something like that, because it is more of like an open top, but it's not too open. So I did end up sizing up in this one. The 1XL, I felt like the boob area was just way too small for my comfort. The 2XL definitely fits me better, and I'm a 38D for reference. I love these sleeves. So I do have more room in the sleeves because I did size up. I love this like little detail. Sorry, the cars outside are going crazy. You guys know I live in New York, and this is what happens when you live in New York and you try to film. There's always background noise outside. So yeah, I really like this, and I love the little like peplum style. It just like flows out, and you can tie this any way you like. I really do like this outfit. I think this outfit as is really cute. It's a fun flirty top, some really comfy jeans, just a cute look, very simple. These jeans, you guys, are so comfortable. I have a love-hate relationship with black jeans because I love the way they look, but they always pick up lint the fastest and the easiest. So I love these. I love the way they fit. They're comfy, they're stretchy. I don't feel constricted in these. I feel so comfortable, but they do attract some lint, so just beware of that. But I feel like all black jeans do that. But again, I do really like the fit of these, and they do have pockets as well. I'm just gonna keep these jeans on for the remainder of the video. I do have 2 other tops to show you, but yeah, back to this top. I love this. Comfortable, strapless, stretchy. I love this cutout detail. So these are high-waisted, like I mentioned, so any pair of high-waisted pants would look so good with this. I think high-waisted faux leather leggings would look amazing with this, with some heels. That would be such a cute like going out outfit. I love this little detail. I think it's like tastefully placed. It's not too high up. It's so hard to show you, but the back is the same way. It does have that like split in the middle. Very cute, and that's what the back of it looks like. I don't know if you can see, probably not, but the back there does have a zipper, so that's how you would get this on and off. It is so cute, you guys. I love this. I have to check if this comes in more colors because I feel like this top is so flattering in so many ways. It's covering my stomach area but showing a little bit of stomach at the same time. The back is a little flirty. It's stretchy, it's comfortable, it's medium weight, I would say. I absolutely love this. I need this in black and nude and like pink. I need it in a bunch of other colors because it is that good. So I do do really like this top a lot, and I cannot wait to wear it out. So next up is this top with the same jeans. Again, this top is so cute. It's very like feminine and girly. I love it. It's so lightweight as well. So as you can see here, this part is stretchy, and I love the way it kind of just like flows out really pretty. And I really like the fact that this sleeve goes down to my elbows. I do get a little bit self-conscious about my arms. You guys know this, so I like the sleeve length on this one. So you're showing a little bit of skin, but you're still really covered up at the same time. This top is going to go perfect with so many bottoms. I love it. It's so pretty. It's so comfortable. I really don't know what else to say about it. It's just really pretty, girly, feminine. Just like it makes you feel good, like one of those like feel good tops that is easy to wear, and just pretty, all around pretty. So I really like this one. It looks really nice with these black jeans. It's going to look really nice with any type of jeans you throw on, mom jeans, skinny jeans, wide leg jeans. Like, it's going to look good. The top I have to show you is this oversized tee. I did size up one in this because I wanted it to fit a little bit looser. I just like my tees to fit that way. I don't really like fitted tees. So I really like this one because of the color. So this comes in a bunch of different colors. If you don't like the pink, it comes in black, white, I believe gray. So I just went with this one because I feel like I have enough white tees. So I decided to switch it up and get a pink one, and I really like the color of it. It just says C'est la vie Paris. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but it just says that. So this is how long it goes down to. It's pretty long, so if you want to wear it with biker shorts or something, you could, but typically I would just like tuck it in like this, or like roll it up and wear it that way. That's just the way I prefer to like wear my tees. So I would probably do something like that, or roll it up like that, or you know, something like that. So that's the way I would style it. It is very soft and very comfortable. You could also fold the sleeves. I like to cuff the sleeves as well. Overall, I really like this tee. It's so cute and comfy. You can lounge in it, you can go out in this. It's so simple but so cute at the same time. I love simple pieces, but they just look a little different. I may have to get it in other colors because it just feels really nice and soft, and I love that soft t-shirt feeling. So yeah, this was the last item I had to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you like any of these pieces, everything is linked down below for you to shop. Don't forget to use my coupon code to save yourself some money, and happy shopping, you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next time in another video.